In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog with Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this guide will walk you through setting up a CMS collection, designing your blog's homepage, and creating individual blog post pages. Let's dive right in. First, we need to set up your CMS collection. In the Webflow Designer, head to the CMS tab and click on Create New Collection. For convenience, you can select the blog post preset, which automatically generates some common fields for you, like the title and slug. However, if you prefer to customize it from scratch, feel free to do so. At the very least, ensure you define a few essential fields: the name or title for your blog post, which acts as an identifier, the slug, which is a URL-friendly version of the title, a rich text field for the main body content of your post, and an image field for your cover image. Once you've set these up, click on Create Collection. A helpful tip here is to populate your collection with sample data to help with design, or you can start adding your content right away. Now that we have our collection set up, let's move on to designing the blog homepage. Start by creating a new static page and give it a clear and concise name like blog. This will serve as the hub of your online writing. On this page, you'll want to add a collection list element. It's crucial to link this collection list to the blog post collection you just created. This step connects your new blog page with the entries in your CMS, ensuring that any content you add to the collection will automatically update here. Inside the first collection item, it's time to design the layout for your blog post preview cards. Think of these as the window displays for your content, enticing readers to learn more. Add elements such as a heading and an image, then make sure to link them directly to the corresponding fields in your CMS collection, such as the blog name and blog image. Additionally, each preview card should have a link directing visitors to the individual blog post template page, ensuring easy navigation throughout your site. Finally, let's create the individual blog post page. Webflow is handy in that it automatically generates a template page for your collection, with URLs like blog posts slug. Head over to this new template page to design your single blog post layout. Add a main heading for your blog post's title, and a rich text element for the body content. Remember to link these elements to the correct fields in your CMS collection, like blog name and post body. Don't forget about additional details. Linking elements such as the cover image, the author, and the date will add a polished and informative touch to your posts. And there you have it. You're now ready to design, populate, and customize your very own Webflow blog.